Hello, friends. I am not at home, clearly. Hey, I'm in Utah. And Alina's here. She's doing her makeup. But I brought foundations with me, and I'm gonna test them for you. Today, we're actually going on a hike, and I have the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage from Morphe, and in my shade medium 13. And I'm gonna try it. We're gonna put this to the literal ultimate test because we are hiking. So I'm gonna test this foundation, I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm going to update you as the day goes along. Let's do this. I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe brush. Wow, great shade match for once. I kind of like this so far. It's definitely a medium to full coverage for sure, but it doesn't feel like too heavy or anything. And I feel like it covers up just enough that I would want covered up, because I think I've told you guys many times before, I don't like to really cover up my face anymore. So like, you could still see a couple of like my acne scarring like on each side, and it's totally okay. Yeah, I kind of like it. Wow. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you final look, and then I'll update you for the day. Okay, here is the makeup all complete. I really like this foundation. Like, it looks really good, and I'm very happy with it. It looks very glowy too. I thought it was gonna be kind of matte, and it's not, which is really good. But I think the real test is seeing if this lasts throughout the day. But let me show you in different lighting. That's bright. Here it is in the bathroom. Oh my god, it's so bright. Whoa. And let me show you outside in the natural light. Okay. Ta-da! Looks good. All these people coming up on buggies. Yeah, it looks really good. So I'm happy with it for sure. And look at the mountains. All right, you guys, we gotta get going, but I will update you as we're hiking and show you how this held up. Here's the foundation. We're inside the canyon. Woo! foundation update. don't know. Okay, so we got off of our hike and just had some food. Here is the foundation. When I tell you that this burger that we ate, or burgers that we ate, were so messy, like, just ignore this coming off my mouth area. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. I think that it stayed like well, but not as great as I think I would have wanted it to stay. But I don't know, what is you guys' thoughts? This is not my final thoughts so far because we're gonna keep it on for the rest of the day. I might fix this with a little more, but I think overall it looks good. Okay guys, here's the foundation. I don't know about you, but it's not looking so hot. But it has been on for a very long time. Like, very long time. It kind of stayed, like, on my cheeks. The forehead creased and got a little oily. But all right here is, like, rubbed off and gone. Like completely off around my mouth from the burger. Oh my goodness. I think it was doing really well for the first couple hours, and then the moment that we like were on the shuttle out of Zion and we ate, this just went to absolute shit. And I have a pimple. But I think that it did really, really well, and the match was really great, and I think it started off really awesome. So I'd say definitely not something you can wear for more than 8 hours. I mean, this was like 12, 14 hours, something crazy. And that's all I got, guys. That's all I got for this Morphe foundation. That's it. That's it. I don't feel so hot right now, so I need to go to sleep. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next foundation Friday. Okay?